Greetings YouTube, welcome to another Knife Guy channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a tutorial on opening and closing your pocket knife with a bit of style. So here we have a Benchmade Mini Adamas with thumb studs and an axis lock. And how you want to do this is put your fingers on the pocket clip. If you want to flick it out just regularly, you have to put your finger on the thumb stud and shoot it out just like that. It's more of a motion straight out, boom, just like that. If you want to get fancy, you can do a middle finger flick, which is literally you position the knife seated in your palm, take your middle finger and push it straight out just like that as well. And if you want to get super duper fancy and do the flippies, danger twirls, you want to make sure you have everything practiced. Start slow and just do something like that. So this is a cool way to open your knife. Middle finger flick, thumb stud, and then to do the flips, you want to get your middle finger, your index finger, and everything in sync. So to do that, you want to take your index finger, put it over the front of the knife, use your thumb to push and follow through. And you can also do this reverse, just like that. So there you go.